Alright, welcome to the channel. You can hear the rain out there. Alright, today my brother's got something. We both ordered something for our bikes. We both ordered, I ordered the big ass. What did you order?
Big ass.
Oh, you ordered the big ass? I thought you ordered the regular.
No, I ordered the big ass.
Alright.
If it doesn't work on mine, I'm going to move the big ass cup in the back for bar when I get the thing.
Alright.
And I'll just buy a small one for myself.
Okay. So we both ordered the big ass cup holders for our bikes, alright? And his is from Goldstrike actually, which is, you know, and mine is from Ciro 3D. But he ordered his from WingStuff, and it's a Goldstrike big ass cup holder. And I ordered mine right from Ciro 3D, and it's a Ciro 3D big ass cup holder. And let me turn the camera around and I'll show you. Alright, there it is. It shows chrome, but he ordered black. Alright, and this is specifically for the DCT one. Honda Goldwing. If you're putting it on the left side, right?
I'm going on the left side.
Yeah, left side. Yep. Is specifically for the DCT on the left side. Yep. If you go on the right side, then you have to order a different one, yep. Right? The different bracket.
Yep.
All right. So, you know, you've all seen these. We're not going to unbox it. We're just going to, you know.
Well, I'm unboxing it.
Well, he's going to unbox it, but then we're going to just throw it on up there. All right. And then later, I'll do my, you know, I'll unbox mine also and mount mine. So it comes with this, all right. Everybody knows, everybody's seen it, and this is your ball nut. So you just take that, make sure you take that off. And then his comes with this. It's 1/2 of the clamp. So he just goes over there, takes the screw off the top, said, and this part comes right apart, and you just replace the front clamp with this.
Yep, and it just locks in. See, there's like a little clip right there.
Yeah, and it's just a Phillips head.
Yep.
All right, we'll go over there and we'll do it. All right, see, all right, hold on. All right, so right there, you just got to take that screw off.
That should swivel down and pop off.
And pop off. All right. Now we'll just grab this one. All right, so on this, you got to be careful. When you put that front clamp back on that, you're not pinching the freaking wires there. He bought the big ass cup holder. The way it's looking, I don't think the big ass one's going to fit when he turns the wheel on this thing. So he may be, well, he's going to be ordering one for the back seat, but he'll probably just get the one that says the regular cup one and switch it out with this, because I don't think this is going to work.
Looks though.
What? You got it tight?
Yeah, I got it tight.
All right, and you know, of course, there is an Allen bolt here, so you can turn this if you want.
Yeah, I'm going to have to.
But I don't think this is going to fit. I truly think he's going to have to get the regular size cup holder for this. But what he's going to do is buy the regular size one. Just, yeah, you just throw that on the ball now. Yeah, goes around. And that's it. And only, don't cross thread it. You gotta put it on there right. Oh, maybe it will.
It fits.
Yeah, it does fit.
All the way over.
It's all the way turned. All right, now the thing is, you're gonna have to get on the bike and check out your controls with your hand there. Yeah, as you can see, it's gonna be in the way of his buttons here, so now he's got to loosen up this and swivel that around. So it does fit. I was wrong. So let's see. Oh, like no, light's fucking up there. So he's got a lot of room. Go ahead, turn the wheel. Okay.
And that's way out of the way.
Yep.
That's out of way for all the controls.
There. That's it. Yeah, so that's easy. So now I'll go do mine, you know, at my house. So let me put mine on. All right, I'm over my house in my shed where my bike is. So I'm going to be putting on my big ass drink holder from Ciro 3D, you know. All right, here's mine. Black. Part number. Big ass drink holder with black perch mount. 50911. Alright, I'm taking off this top bolt right now on my perch. This is where I'm going to put my, this is where I'm going to put the cup holder. So I'm just taking out the one bolt so I can see what bolts we need to use. Because it comes with two different types of bolts, so I got to figure out what bolt we need. Alright, there's the thread that we need. This is the bolt that came out. Here's the new bolt. Same threads. And then they have a I don't know, a metric one. So it's finer thread. The bolt goes through, then the space. The bolt goes through, then the spacer. The original bolt was a T27, so now the new one is... So the new bolt is a 3/16 hex. Alright, it says you could torque it down to 72 to 108 inch-pounds. Now we throw this on, and this on. You just pop it on, and thread the nut on. The nut's replaceable. My bars are already turned all the way in, so it doesn't hit anything, and so when it's out, it's gonna be good. And it ain't gonna interrupt any of my stuff, so you don't want to over tighten this, because you'll split this. But, yeah, looks good to me. This is a 24 ouncer. Sits in there, in the bottom of it. It's catching down here, so this thing will hold a 32 ounce, I think, you know, in the big gulps, I think, yeah, you get at the fast food places will fit in here, the extra largers will fit in there. Yeah. Sits in there good. Oh, I forgot to tell you, there's a pin down here that I need to tighten up too. Because you could swivel this head, and I never tightened it up yet, so, alright. Guess I gotta do that. It's 5/32. There. Alright, now she's tight. Now let's check it out again. Bring it up. There. These ain't in my way. Alright. Boom, boom, boom. My drink. Boom. Twist. Not in my way. When I'm riding. Alright. Getting gas. Open up my gas tank. Not in my way. Okay. Cool. That's that. Alright, that's the big ass cup holder from Ciro 3D. And like I said yesterday, was the big ass cup holder from Goldstrike. Same company. Okay? One for Goldwing, one for Harley. Anyway, if you're not a subscriber, subscribe. Hit the bell so you're notified of new videos when they come out. And give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. These things are great. You know, I've never had a cup holder before, so I've always had to stop and get a drink, and then I throw a water bottle or tea in my saddlebag. But it's, you know, hopefully this I can, you know, have a drink on, you know, at stoplights or whatever, you know, and stuff. I don't have to get off the bike and get a drink, you know. So I've always had to stop and get a drink. So anyway, leave a comment below what you think, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.